Hi guys, welcome to the first tutorial in Java program for beginners. I'm using the Eclipse IDE here, okay, which is a free environment. Now, to make it, first thing you need to do is to download from Oracle JDK install. So assume you've all done that, and assume you set your path in your system's environment. So we're at this stage, we're ready to go. Okay. So what we have here now is I've made this class and I called it lesson 1. Now, the convention is uppercase, be lowercase, right? I then wanted to print out hello world, okay? So, if I run that, I should get down here and when it builds hello world being printed out to the console. And when you do this, there you go, you're a computer programmer, you're a Java computer programmer because you just execute your first program. And there you go, hello world, okay? Now, let me see, we can also go here and we can stick in, say, variable. Variable int. Int is a whole number, which either positive or negative, okay? Index. There's a declaration of variable, okay? And here I'm giving it a value. Okay, I'm just going to give it a bit of space here. And we're going to call it 20, okay? Now, shortcut for a system that I was SYSO control space, right? And hopefully it will come up and give me it. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. And if it doesn't, which it doesn't want to this time, what we'll do instead, we'll just copy this. Okay. Well, it was actually going to load, it's going to load something else that time. Okay. Now if I go in here, now because I'm printing out an integer, it's not a string, hello world is string, we're just printing out the value of x, right? Now if I save that, and if I run this again, what should I get? Well, I'm hoping I'm going to get hello world and then 20, which I did, right? Now if I go and change, say I put in int x, okay? And we go SYSO. Let's see if we can get this up real quick. You press enter and we got it, and I put in here X. What do you think I'll get here now? Okay, let's have a look. Oh wait, I didn't give the value. No, I didn't. I'm going to put down X is equal to 34. Okay, so we've given this a value, but we've got the same X here twice, have we? Let's just run and see what we have. Okay. Now we got hello 34. Let's look at the difference. This is small x, this is a larger x, right? These are two completely different variables, okay? So look, there's your first tutorial on Java programs. So hopefully you join me in the rest and we go through them all together. Okay, take care. See you again, guys. Bye bye.